Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys miss me. I miss you guys so much. But because of Hurricane Beryl struck Jamaica, I wasn't able to do any content, any water-based content as well, and I really just had to take precaution and stay safe with my family. But I'm back. I wanted to start off slow because, as you can see, Hurricane Beryl completely changed the river. Like normally there's nothing here. The river has come down pretty heavy since the hurricane, but I really didn't want to wait another week to do another content for you guys because I just miss it, you know. So we're gonna get started with some quick and easy meal and just relax at the river, just to start off slow with you guys. Next week is gonna be epic, but for this week we're gonna start off with a very pretty chill vibe. So just relax, stay tuned and enjoy. So we're going to start with the pineapple. I know like it's a half a pineapple, but I didn't want to waste my other pineapple like that because I have one already and it's ripe and it's ready. I ate the top part yesterday and I was like, maybe I should just carry it today because it's gonna be eaten anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna do this real quick because it's like after 11 in the morning right now and I haven't eaten anything, and I normally just eat fruits in the morning before I actually eat any solid food. So this is how I'm gonna start my day. I'm gonna feed the fishes. Hopefully it reaches them. The water is so heavy today, so heavy. When I asked Ramo if I could come to the river today, he was like, yeah man, you can come. You can come, man. It kind of changed up a little bit, but you can come still. And I was like, okay, me forward. Because, like, I haven't had any form of water, like river water, sea water in like 2 weeks. So I'm hungry for it right now. Like, this is surreal for me right now. Honestly, I have missed the river so much. I just want to hurry up and cook and just go lie down in the water. Yeah, baby. First time, right? Oh. Alright guys, just a quick update. I have a Amazon storefront now. Basically, you guys have always been asking me where I get my stuff, where I get my equipment. So I posted all the equipment that I use in my videos, as well as personal skincare that I use whenever I'm traveling or doing adventures to maintain my skin. The Amazon storefront link is in my description. Just go ahead and click it. From there you can see all the equipment that I use, the skincare that I use, and many more to come. Oh guys, the fire is catching. Let me get started. Alright guys, so meanwhile the water is boiling for the pasta. I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna be making. I should have said that at the beginning of the video, but y'all know by the title of the video we're gonna be doing some jerk shrimp rasta pasta. Now I have the ingredients here that I'm gonna be chopping up. Here we have some sweet pepper. We have the yellow one, the red one, and the green one. I brought these from home because why not? And we have the onion, garlic, and that's all we need for natural ingredients. Oh guys, look at this. I always try to find the quick and easy dishes to cook when you're at the river, because I really don't like to draw out the day cooking at the river. I just want something we can fill my belly and something that tastes good. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna boil the pasta. Now that we have the pasta boiling, we're gonna start chopping. Ooh, the sun. Nice. I'm just gonna put it somewhere to cool. All right, next we're gonna season the shrimp. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shrimps. We're just gonna season them real quick with some jerk seasoning, garlic powder, and all-purpose, and paprika. And the jerk seasoning is actually hot and spicy, so we're not adding any additional spice to it. First, we're gonna baste it with some coconut oil. stay. So we have the all-purpose seasoning here. All-purpose. And then some paprika. Like the all-purpose already has in garlic powder, but my business, I love it. We have the hot and spicy jerk sauce. That's it. Not do no more. And then we're just gonna mix. There we have it. So now we're gonna get started because I don't like to let these marinate too long. So I'm gonna just let them marinate for a few minutes, like probably 5 minutes, and then we're gonna fry them up and get started. Let's go. The pan is kind of tilt a little bit. Alright guys, let's turn down the heat a little bit. Too hot, too hot, too hot. There we go. Going to start cooking everything together. So we have the red pepper, green pepper, yellow sweet pepper. All of these are sweet pepper and onion. So that's what we're gonna add first. The heat was too high the first time, so that explains the burn. I'm just gonna add a little bit more coconut oil because we're gonna need some coconut oil to saute the vegetables. I'm gonna let this cook down for like a few minutes and then come back. I just want you close, where you can stay forever. You can be sure that it will only get better. Okay. All right. So when the sweet pepper is like really like soft, then we're gonna add in the garlic. So the sweet peppers are soft along with the onion. The onions are caramelized, and now we're gonna add in the garlic. And now we're gonna leave this for another 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes, and then come back. But guys, it smells so good so far. So far, so good. We're on good time. We're on good time. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. Something about outdoor cooking always gets me going. All right, so now we're gonna add the heavy cream. I normally add 1 cup, but what you can do is you can pour until you see that the sweet pepper and everything is covered. 1/4 cup of chicken broth. I don't use a lot. Some pasta water. that. Now we're gonna add some all-purpose, some garlic powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of jerk sauce in that. Add some parsley. Add some Parmesan cheese. Everybody's taste buds are different, and because my taste buds, I love flavors, so I'm just throwing it in. But what you can do is you can taste it to see like if it's good for you. And after this, we're just gonna mix. After we mix everything together, we're gonna let this simmer for about, I would say, it's really different on a cold stove. So I would say let's see how it goes for 10 minutes and then come back to it and see how it looks. The cold stove has good heat right now because there's still plenty of coal left. Yeah, we're good. Let this simmer and then come back. Not looking bad. Not looking bad at all. I'm gonna leave it for the next 10 minutes and see, because I really want it to have a thick texture. It has been approximately 20 minutes since I left it to simmer. Yeah, man, I think it's ready now. So now that the sauce is ready, we're gonna add in the vegan pasta. You can add any pasta, but I love the veggie pasta. And now we're gonna mix that in. Damn, this is a lot for one person. We're gonna mix that in like that. And then we're gonna add in the shrimps. And then we're gonna let this simmer down for 5 minutes. 5-10 minutes. Because I want my food well soak, you know? So around 5-10 minutes. And then it's ready. But from this last step, you can add more cheese if you like, more parsley. But I've added enough of those things, so I'm not gonna need any more. And then we're just gonna cover it and let that simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. And there we have it. Jerk shrimp rasta pasta. Guys, this smells so good. I kid you not. Give this a try and let me know what you think about it. But it's quick and easy. Just perfect. Alright guys, so there we have it. Ooh, so good. I don't think I'm gonna finish all of this, to be honest. I'm probably gonna take some home because this is a lot of pasta. There we go. You take the first bite. Perfect. It's spicy. This meal took 1 hour, approximately 1 hour. Because I really started after 12 because the fire was giving a bit of problem. But yeah. So good. amazing. Woo! What a great comeback. Hey guys, so I just came from the changing room. I changed into some dry clothes because I'm heading out now, but I really hope you enjoy that little chill adventure. I really just wanted to come and refresh my brain, my mind, my body, everything before I start really getting into the epic adventures. So stay tuned for next week because you know we're going to be doing something epic. But I really hope you enjoy this cooking video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.